see me running. Don't know what I was hiding from, and I was breathing heavy, pushing out the air.
Hi guys, my name is Dida and welcome to my channel. Let's bring some heat in this channel and play with the KKW Beauty So Fire collection. Actually, the exact name is, let me see, So Fire Bundle collection. Here it is. Let's do it. So, always so well packed, lovely. I like that. It's awesome. Just talk a little bit about the collection because I saw no review on this collection. I don't know why on YouTube. I mean, so you have 3 eyeliners. Here it is. It will be the first time for me playing with eyeliners by KKW Beauty. I was really intrigued by this. You have 3 glosses. I already played with her gloss and I really like it. And of course you have the beautiful palette. Look at the details in the palette, please. I don't know if you see. Did you see her name? The name of her brand. And here is the palette. Actually, I really like it, and it remembers me a little bit of the Daisy and Katy friendship palette. Like, I mean, the inside of the packaging. Maybe it's here. Yeah, it's just here. I mean, the inside for me, it's a little bit the same. What do you think, guys? For me, it's a little bit the same, but actually, I really wanna try this collection. I really wanna try this collection. So excited about it. The packaging is so sleek, really awesome. I love the eye look she did on this collection. I really like it. So if you order all the collection, you will pay $115 instead of $129, but you can pick individually, like the glosses. Let me see. Like, So Fire gloss is $18 each. The eyeliner each is $10 and the palette is $45. So yeah, and actually I picked all the collection for $115. There is no tax. There wasn't any tax in this, and it was cute. It was awesome for me because I always pay taxes and believe me, it's expensive. So yeah, let's just do some eye look. I don't know which eye look I will do, but let's do it. So the first eyeliner is the Copper. Yeah, the name is Copper. Honestly, it's so creamy. I don't know if you can see, but it's a little bit like brown, but with some sheen on it. I really like it. The second is Yellow Gold. It's like her eyeliner is really like her lips liner. It's really creamy, guys, like really. I don't think you can see it here, I'm so sorry, but it's really creamy and slick. The packaging is awesome. And the third one is Rust. I really like it. It remembers me the Urban Decay I picked. So Rust. Oh my god, this is awesome. Yeah, it remembers me the Urban Decay one. I got it here because I love it. Also, it really remembers me this one by yeah, Urban Decay. So if you have, here it is. So you see, this is Urban Decay and this is KKW, the Rust eyeliner. So if you, I just show you this because for those who can't, people who love makeup and they have just Urban Decay in their country, I'm thinking about my friends from India, you have, it's really the same like the KKW one. So, as I said, her eyeliner is the same as her lips liner. It's really the same packaging. The difference is at the end, normal. And yeah, actually it's really slicky, it's really soft, awesome. For the glosses, you have the Extinguish blush. No, Extinguish, really, like Extinguish. Here it is. This is really cute. It's a plastic packaging. Here it is. It's a gloss. I wish her eyeliner, like as Makeup Forever they did, I wish we can also use it on the lips, honestly. You have this one. This is the flammable gloss, plastic packaging, so cute, like really small, easy to pick in your bag. I like that. And the color is really, really good, you know, like I really like it. And the last but not the least is this nude one, like Radiate. I'm so sorry about my English, guys. Here it is. Let me show you just here. It's like just a gloss, a nude gloss, you know, with a little bit of pink on it, a little bit. For the palette, you have the name behind, and you have like 5 matte colors and 5 shimmery one. Yeah, so 5 matte and 5 shimmery. Now let's do this eye look, and let's see. Let me do some swatches, guys, just to see about the texture. I've already played with her with her palette, and I really like it. So let's do some. Wow, honestly, it's really creamy. It's creamy and pigmented. I barely touch it, like barely. Wow, this is awesome. This is the matte colors. I'm not that good in swatches, I'm so sorry. Let's do one shimmer one. Like just one shimmer. Or the gold one. I don't know if you see it well. Okay, maybe you don't see it well, I'm so sorry. But actually it's incredibly pigmented. I really like it. I really don't want to throw this because it's so slicky. I really like it. Packaging is awesome, you know. When some brands do those kinds of packaging, you really don't want to throw it. But, you know, it is how it is.
like a beast. No need to breathe. I'm like a beast. And now, and I have you begging, please. I never was a fighter. Held my tongue every time, but now I'm burning brighter. Now I'm lighting up the sky. I didn't show my weakness, even though it taught me. Oh, walking like I'm sleeping. Now I feel like waking up. I'm like a beast. No need to breathe. I'm like a beast. And now, and I have you begging, please. You won't lock me up, won't shoot me down. Don't even try. You won't lock me up, won't shoot me down. Don't even try. I'm like a beast. No need to breathe. I'm like a beast. And now, and I have you begging, please. You used to see me running, don't know what I was hiding from, and I was breathing heavy, pushing out the air from my lungs. But now I turn to face it. Everyone who said I was wrong, I'm going back to basics, like I should all along. I'm like a beast. No need to breathe. I'm like a beast. And now, and I have you begging, please. I never was a fighter. Held my tongue every time, but now I'm burning brighter. Now I'm lighting up the sky. I didn't show my weakness, even though it taught me. Oh, walking like I'm sleeping. Now I feel like waking up. I'm like a beast. No need to breathe. I'm like a beast. And now, and I have you begging, please. You won't lock me up, won't shoot me down. Don't even try. You won't lock me up, won't shoot me down. Don't even try. I'm like a beast. No need to breathe. I'm like a beast.
So guys, complexion done. So let's do some gloss on our lips, and I want to show you closer the look I come with. For the lips, I want to use her lip liner first. Really creamy too, by the way. I'm in the shade light, I think, right? Nude one, sorry, nude one.
Everyone who said I was wrong, I'm going back to basics, like I should all along.
Here it is.
I'm like a beast.
And
No need to
let's do this one.
breathe. I'm like a beast.
Oh my god, it's awesome. It's really beautiful. Actually, I love it. So guys, here are the look I come with. See by yourself. I don't wear false lashes, but you can if you want, and I think with this look it can be even better with false lashes. Here is the lip gloss. Don't know what you think about it. And yeah. So guys, if you like those kinds of videos, please give this video a thumbs up. I really wanna play with this palette once again because I like it. It remembers me the Urban Decay Heat palette, for those who know this. And yeah, I feel that she really inspired by this, maybe, I don't know. I know also that she will come with matte collections, 2 matte collections. I'm intrigued. I don't know if I will pick it, but I will see. Let me know if you want me to pick it, by the way. Let me know what you think about it. Thank you so much. Love you. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and follow me on social media. I love you so much. Mwah.